Hey, okay, this is Ash with FingerStrong.com, and I'm back, baby, with another review of something I think is very important and very freaking cool from Amazon. SURVIVEWARE emergency pack. Let's start on the outside real quick. Let's just make this real quick because we'll get right to it. Strap here. I'll show you what that strap does here in a minute. It has reflective around the thing here, SURVIVEWARE, a little Velcro here if you'll put something. Two good handles, and the back is the cool part. Big Velcro tabs on it. Now, the reason for this is this thing, it's also a molly. You can attach it to a molly or a backpack or whatever you want to, which is really cool. Two little D rings here. You attach this to the back of your headrest. So, okay, so now this is attached to the back of your headrest, right? Or the back seat, or whatever. Slap on this. Okay, and you're riding down the road. Oh, that's tearing apart. You're riding down the road. All of a sudden, an emergency happens. You open your car door, rip that off. And now you have your little pack here to go handle business in kind of emergency. So this thing's great. It's a great little add-on feature they did. It's like my car, the back seat. It's got that fuzzy stuff anyway, so you can stick it right to the back seat of your car. That's what I do. All right, so let's get into this package right here. Let's go ahead and get to it because that's the important thing. Nice, beefy zippers, good strong zipper system. Here we go. As you open it, this is what you got. It comes with this other little extra kit for like a little belt loop or whatnot. Gloves, scissors, some bandages, some gauze, a CPR mask, tape, and some more gauze and some Q-tips. So that's great for throwing your backpack, throwing in a glove box, or in your bike or whatever you do. Great little belt pack. But there's the meat and potatoes. Look how organized and neat this thing is. It is so nice. Nice, well labeled. On the back side of this is a little booklet, colored pamphlet with all the first aid stuff you need in it. That's really cool. Inside we got some baggies. You put your personal medication here if you want to put some Benadryl, aspirin, whatever you want. Ice pack, that's really nice. Under the personal tab. I didn't notice that until just now. Personal, that's pretty cool. Open it back up here. Everything's labeled. You got some scissors, some shears. These are really nice, by the way. I've been looking at them. They're high quality. They're not real cheap aluminum or anything like that. These are actually pretty decent pair of shears. Up here, in the upper pocket, you got a big upper pocket here to stick whatever you want to down in there. It's empty. It comes empty. Emergency blanket for shock and hypothermia. Skin cleaning wipes, hygiene. Gloves. Hydrogel for burns and scalds. Splinter probes. Little lancets. Everything is labeled in here. Safety pins. Comes with a little whistle. Triangular bandages for sling pressure and head bandage. We got going on here. We got conforming bandages. We got a wound spray and snake bites. Got pretty much a splint here. That's really nice quality. Glad they added it in there. Ace bandages help with that. Major wounds, we got some wound dressing. See, everything's well labeled. This little lanyard right here, we have a little CPR kit. This is something extra too. Just extra stuff they added into this. Adult CPR instructions. Child baby CPR instructions on there with a little CPR shield in here. Look at that. It even comes with antiseptic towelettes, some latex gloves, and the CPR shield. That's really a bonus. I like it. I love the instructions on it. Not paper either. It's actually fabric. We got that. We got some adhesive tape. Oh yeah, this side. iPads, cotton gauze, wound cleaning, combined dressing, major wounds, non-adherent wound dressing, burns or abrasions, wound closures. I looked at this wound closures. It's just Band-Aids. Nothing too fancy there. I'd like to see some steri strips or some butterfly bandages, but you can add those in there. It's not a big deal. But for around $100, I think it's right at $100 on Amazon. This thing is badass. Zip it up. Roll up on any kind of emergency, what have you. This is the thing to have in your car for emergencies. It's one of the highly recommended things that I believe you should have in your vehicle. is a good medical kit, and this one here qualifies. For 100 bucks, that's all it is. This would be a great gift. Check out the description below. We got a link to it on Amazon. You can also go to FingerStrong.com and click on a picture of this or a link, and then again, it'll take you to Amazon and show you exactly what this is and what we bought. This is Ash, 5-minute video-ish on the SURVIVEWARE First Aid Medical Kit. If I said I like this thing, I think I've said it. I really do like it.